Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Blackview Tab 16 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now click open. And here you can click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now you can select this app and then you have to click here to allow this app to display over other apps and click back and now click back again and click start. And as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.